Alright guys, Josh Tech and we're back again with a tech video. So we're going to do an unboxing on an RGB gaming mouse that I did purchase, and I did buy this with my own money, and I wanted to check it out, do an unboxing video on this and check it out and see if it's really worth actually $18.99, so about 19 bucks. So I did buy it on Amazon Prime, so let's check it out. Now the thing is, they do have different kind of like RGB gaming mouses. They have so many on there, and I actually wanted to do this one. I just wanted to check it out. I know they have Razer and all these good products, but I wanted to try a low budget one and see if it's worth the money and see what the colors look like and everything. So pretty much I bought it and I want to check it out. Now basically this is what it comes in. Not even gonna say the name, it's just a weird name. It's a RGB soft gaming mouse pad, RGB backlit with effects, 10 lighting modes. So optimum size, USB powered, plug and play. So pretty much you just plug it in and play. The cable length is 1.75 millimeters and 68.9 inches. So the dimensions is 800 by 300 and it's 4 millimeters thick. So let's check this out and see if this is actually worth the money for what it's retailed, $19. Now I will mention this, I do have a Cooler Master gaming mouse, extra large. I love it. It's probably the best thing I invested. It's not RGB, but if you guys want to check that out, I'll put down the link below where you guys want to check that out too. Wow, so this is it, huh? So pretty much there's the power cord strip. This fell, so here's the cord right here that goes with it. So I don't know, I probably won't be using this. I'm going to use it for a while, maybe for a good week, try it out and stuff, but I still like my own gaming mouse because I have plenty of space and room. So when I'm playing Fortnite and stuff, I have plenty to move around. So we're gonna check this out. It's got a good long cord. Basically you're just gonna plug it in here and that's it. Now so the cord can go that way and you can have it like that, so that's kind of cool. It does have a button on it. Don't need that. So let's check it out and let's see if this is really worth it. It's pretty small, like not length but width. It is pretty small for what I was using. So I'm not used to a mouse pad this size because not anymore, because I go over the mouse pad, so I like to have a lot of space. So let's check this out. Now the first thing I notice, I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can get a good depth. So the first thing I did notice is like it is bubbling up right here. Maybe if you kind of like roll it right there and stuff. Now it is stitched really good, so it's got that nice braided stitch right there. It's actually pretty stitched all around, pretty good. So the cool part is it does have the little switch and everything on this side of your keyboard, so if you're gaming you won't be hitting it. So I do like that, unless you want to switch it around. Very small from what I'm used to using. I will do some before and after shots, but we're gonna plug it in, try this out. Now as you can tell, before I do a depth shot, I actually want to show you this. As you can see right here, it's actually bubbled up a little bit, so it might take a while for it to go down. So that's only a disappointment right there, and there's another one right there, so you guys can kind of see that. So it's not fully flushed. Actually the lighting is really nice. It lights up really good. The logo also lights up. I really like that. So it has a little button on the side right here, and pretty much you can just push it and it'll change the RGB color. There's red, of course, there's purple and blue, light blue, green, I'd say yellow, and then it does flash, so it's like flashing through different colors. Flashing is kind of annoying, so maybe like a there's like a super flash. Same, all different colors. Colors are changing, And then you could even turn it off, like, and have it completely off. But why would you buy something like this and just have it off? Now, it feels really good. The mouse pad feels really smooth and everything. I like it. It's not a bad mouse pad for 18 bucks. Let's check it out. So when you first turn it on, after you turn it off, it does cycle through the colors. So that will probably be the one that I actually will use. So, to be honest with you, what do I think about this mouse pad? What would I rate it? Would I recommend buying it? For size, if you want a good size mouse pad, no. This one's actually, for me, it's too small for like gaming and stuff, like especially when you're playing Fortnite. Like, I need a lot of space, and I used to use smaller mouse pads like this, but I like the big giant mouse pad. I do like the lighting on this. Honestly, the lighting looks very nice. I don't like when it comes out of the box and it's kind of balled up. If you do try to crease it, you are going to put a kink into the plastic of the RGB strips, so be careful. But it's pretty much just plug in simple. It's really simple to use. It's got a soft black feel, so it's not really rough. So it's 31 by 5, 11 by 8, and 0.16 inches. So that's the size. I think it looks nice. And for the price, $19, because I know Razer like sells their products for like $60. And honestly, if the RGB mouse pad was a lot bigger, like my Cooler Master, and I'll put some pictures up, I'd actually probably would get it. Now, people are probably gonna ask you when you have your arm over the thing, can you feel the plastic? Can you feel the little rivets? You can a little bit, but it's actually not that bad as I ever thought it would be, because I never had an RGB mouse pad, and it's actually really cool. They did a really good job stitching it and stuff, so I do like the lighting. The lighting is like perfect around. It's not in certain spots, so you can change it to different colors, or you can change the cycle mode, so I think that's really cool, or you can have it off. And I like that the little switch is on the left of your side, so you're just not in the way when you're hitting the mouse. You can flip it and rotate it and maybe have it on the other side, but you don't want to, because then you're hitting it. So other than that, for 19 bucks, I mean, other than this, for $19, you can't pass this deal. I feel like it's small for what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be like, I mean, I know how to focus and stay in one spot, but I like to have a lot of space, especially that's why I like my Cooler Master mouse pad. Anti-fray stitching edges, so that's really cool. So there'll be no peeling. There's no logos on this, so it won't be peeling any logos off. It's just plain and simple. So I like it, and pretty much I give it a 9 out of 10, honestly. I mean, but it's actually starting to go flat. I'm sure if you put more pressure on some of the ends, you'll be able to get them out. So the RGBs look great on this. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put it down in the description below. I just want to do a little unboxing on this, a little review, and tell you what I think about it. Maybe I'll do an update review on this and check it out and see what I think about it and stuff. So they have so many different RGB mouses on Amazon, so I picked this one. I just wanted to try it out and see what it was like. So alright guys, well, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later.